guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do mostly skincare reviews on my channel and sometimes other beauty reviews. So in this video today, I am going to review a makeup product from the brand Swiss Beauty, and it's their Pop Eye Style Liner. The price of this eyeliner is very affordable. It is priced at 249 rupees and you get 3 ml quantity of this eyeliner. The packaging comes in the form of this outer cardboard box, and the inner packaging looks like this. This is how the brush tip applicator looks like. It is flexible, it is not too stiff, so it's easy to work with this. This specific eyeliner comes in 9 different shades, and I got one of those shades, which is this Onyx Black. Ingredients of this eyeliner, for some reason it's not mentioned on their website, so I got the ingredients from this box that I received. So this is what the ingredient list looks like. Let's talk about the claims that they have mentioned regarding this eyeliner. It says smudge proof, transfer proof, water resistant, high pigmented and long lasting. Define your eyes bold with our Pop Stunning Eye Style Liner. It's smudge proof, transfer proof and water resistant eyeliner. It is highly pigmented and ensures your eyes are hydrated and feel fresh for longer hours. The innovative Flexi Tip applicator provides enough grip to keep your hand steady for fine precision. The eyeliner tip comes in a variant pop of colors that gives you dramatic and defined eyes in just one glide. So that's about it from the claims. Now I want to talk about my experience of using this eyeliner. First of all, this eyeliner is a little bit shiny, so this is not a matte eyeliner. So if you're looking for a matte eyeliner, then this is not a great option. This has a little bit of a shine, and it is that's why it's called like style liner with a pop shine, and it comes in 9 different shades, so you can choose the shade that you want. The applicator, which is the most important part of any eyeliner, is very good. It is very flexible. At the same time, it's not too stiff, and it's like decently flexible, so you can work around with it and create a simple line as well as dramatic bold eyeliner. The kind of style that you want, you can go for it. Other thing is the quantity is decent. The price is very affordable of this eyeliner. The finish of this eyeliner is good. It is highly pigmented eyeliner. Other thing is they claim this to be water resistant and not waterproof, so make sure that you keep that in mind. So if you're someone whose eyes are very sensitive and watering all the time, then it may come off after some time, because this is water resistant and not waterproof. And removing the makeup, the eyeliner comes off very easily. You don't have to rub too much for the eyeliner to come off. So that is another thing. If you're using an oil-based makeup remover, it comes off very nicely without any problems. So this eyeliner is definitely very long lasting. It gives a good grip on application while applying it. It gives a little bit of shine, not too much. It doesn't look excessively glossy. It just looks a little bit shiny when light falls on your eyes, and it's good for creating dramatic looks and different kind of styles with this eyeliner. And in affordable price segment, this particular eyeliner is very good quality, and the brush tip is very nice. I would recommend to go for the Swiss Beauty one instead of any other brand for this particular price segment. Another important thing is, after application of this eyeliner, it takes time to get dried up, so it is not like instant drying, so you have to wait for some time for the eyeliner to fully dry up. And if it's not completely dry, then it transfers on the upper part of the eyelid, so that is another important thing that I wanted to mention. But once it is fully dried up, it does not transfer, it stays put in its place. If you have sensitive eyes, you can definitely use this eyeliner. I did not find any sort of irritation or like redness or any other problems with, so it's definitely long lasting, smudge proof and transfer proof. The only negative side of this eyeliner is that it takes time to get fully dried up. If you're looking for an eyeliner in an affordable price, then you can definitely go for it. This is a good option to try. So that's about it from my overall review of the Swiss Beauty eyeliner. I hope you found this review useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe for more such skincare reviews, and you will find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.